Okay, so once you have got your pendant shape all set up in Adobe, I'm just noticing here that I've got a gap, so I need to make sure I close that up because otherwise it won't show up in TinkerCad as a closed shape. Okay, so now that I have done that, I'm going to export it as a SVG. So I'm going to go Share, Publish, and Export. I need to change this to SVG. I need to give it a name. Climbing Pendant Mr. Phil. And then we're going to go Export. And make sure I know where it is. So it's going to go into my Downloads folder. So now I'm going to go to TinkerCad. I'm going to go Import, and you can see here SVG is one of the import options. So I'm going to go choose File, Mr. Fill, Open. I want the scale to be 100%. I'm going to center it on the artboard. You could also center it on a particular shape, and I'm just going to go and I'm going to go Import, and it'll import onto my work plane, and it will. So you can see here that it didn't actually, doesn't look quite the same as it did here. And the reason is most likely because I didn't quite manage to close up all of the shape. So that's something you need to, that's why you need to make sure that you have closed up the shape. So you might need to go back and do some troubleshooting. But once you've got the image in here, then you can do, you can use other shapes. So for example, if I want to add some texture on here, I could, move a shape in here, make it a hole, group it, and add some texture and that kind of thing to it. But Adobe Illustrator is a great way to start getting the more complicated organic vector shapes into TinkerCAD before you add the other parts.